Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to log into your Binomo.com account, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up a web browser and type in Binomo.com in the URL box. You'll then end up in the official website for Binomo, where you can go ahead and click on Register at the top right, and it'll pop open this menu where you'll need to select Login. Now, go ahead and log in the same way that you previously used while signing up for Binomo. Since I created an account with email option, I'm gonna go ahead and enter my email address. If you've created your account with Facebook or Google option, go ahead and choose the same and follow through the prompts. Write down your correct email address and then the password in the respective text boxes. Finally, click on Login. Right after you do that, you'll be able to log into your existing Binomo.com account. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.